Tame, unruly, frizzy texture with the power of titanium. To smooth the hair in no time, it's best if you take thin sections that are no wider than the length of the plaits, and comb through while pressing to keep the strands aligned. BaBylissPRO's Titanium Ultra Slim Extended Plaits are the ideal features for transforming frizz into silk in no time. For ultimate smoothness and shine, BaBylissPRO's Titanium line focuses on the benefits of titanium with the ability to seal the cuticle and transfer high heat instantly for fast straightening. The best way to create silky strands is to alternate combing and pressing. This allows you to easily keep strands aligned as you smooth the hair. The Titanium Ultra Slim Iron features 5 different temperature settings. For finer, more fragile hair, we recommend you choose the first or second setting. For normal hair density, choose the middle setting. And the last 2 settings are ideal for thick, coarse, or unruly hair. You know you've chosen the right temperature when you can smooth your hair in 1 to 2 passes. My favorite feature is the ultra slim, full-floating titanium plaits for perfectly smooth passes with no creasing. The BaBylissPRO Titanium series will have you styling like a pro in no time.